The 2006 Honda CR-V SE4WD has almost all you need in a mini SUV with ample power, room and refinement. This CR-V is nicely equipped with heated leather seats, premium audio system with a 6-disc changer, leather-wrapped steering wheel with audio and cruise controls, fuel-saving 2.4L engine and much more. Come in for a test drive and see this for yourself today. Buy with confidence. This is a previous owner vehicle and has a clean Carfax. All of our vehicles are put through a rigorous inspection and are fully reconditioned. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us today.